Hello everybody. Let me ask you, should you take care of your things? My brother doesn't care too much about his stuff. He is not too much into electronics. Those are just tools to him. If something is broken, he stops using it or asks for help to repair it. The latter is rare, but when it happens, my world collides with his. Obviously, those are tools for me too, but they fascinate me, and I see them as ingenious boxes that allow me to learn something new. Honestly, I deeply respect them, which he doesn't do. This is his laptop, and its battery wasn't charging correctly. By looking at it, I've noticed that it was working intermittently when I moved the power cable. The cable was also slightly mangled near the end, and I bought a new one just to be safe. Since I've never opened it, I thought it needed some cleaning. The motherboard was nice and small, but all the inside was covered with dust. Curiosity is one of my greatest strengths in a sea of doubt and uncertainty. Trying to understand how things works helps me to see things under a different light. In this case, with all that dust, air will not flow freely and your computer is going to overheat. Also, we need to remove the thermal paste and pads and put some new fresh one in order to make the heat transfer more efficient. I cleaned it way more thoroughly than needed, but I like it to be tidy. It gives me peace of mind. My last step was to open a power supply that, by design, you're not supposed to open, but that's nothing that a sharp blade can't manage. One of the things that really scares me is high voltage. So, before testing the power supply, I've closed everything back and, as I was suspecting, it was working, even while jiggling the cable. All in all, this computer turned out really good. It's looking nice outside and inside, and this makes me happy even if I'm the only one to know it. I hope you liked this video and I invite you to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps me. I'm Leo and I'll see you next week. But, in the meantime, remember to keep things alive.